Good morning from Heavenly Village. We woke up this morning bright and early. We are gonna go have breakfast at the Driftwood Cafe at 7 a.m. because that's when it opens. We really want to be able to get to the gondola right at 8:30 when the mountain opens, because I think it's gonna be a busy day. It's supposed to be beautiful. It's sunny. It's clear. So I'm super excited. The gondola has already started running, I think, to bring workers up, so it's gonna be a good day of skiing.
You lead the way.
We're going, he said Orion.
Yep, Orion. I'm probably not going to go super fast though to start.
That's fine.
Just to test out my knee. Actually, it feels good so far. There's the Nevada side. We're on the Nevada side. Yeah, very soft. Whoa. Woo! Becca she meant to do a 360. I know. Snow conditions are pretty good. Is it bad that my ankles are already sore and it's the first run of the day? Orion, our first run of the day. That's where I was going to tell you to go to Dipper.
You said Dipper?
Well, he said just this whole Orion area is good.
Oh
But
my
I
gosh,
think
Mom,
Dipper,
I'm sweating.
I know, it's very warm. But this one a little bit faster.
Yeah.
The other one was kind of bulky. Pretty. The only thing that would make it prettier is if there was fresh snow on the trees.
Yeah. Okay, so a few tips and tricks we've learned so far. You should ski with the sun, so you start on the Nevada side, and ski with the sun because it will warm up the snow so it's not quite so icy. I can hardly look at the camera because it's so bright. What else did we learn? Ridge run is the best run to do if you want a pretty view of the lake.
Avoid the long lines at the gondola going down.
Oh yeah, don't go to the gondola at 3:30 because you could stand in line for like an hour and a half
To get off the mountain.
to get off the mountain.
So you can take gun barrel chairlift down to
Yeah.
the California Lodge and take a shuttle back to Heavenly Village.
To Heavenly Village if we want. Yeah, Nevada side is a little bit more brown. It's the other side, Mom.
I know, but there's the California side.
And, oh, did you see the lake?
Mm-hmm. There's the Nevada
California
side.
has a beautiful lake. We'll come back with more tips and tricks later.
But now we gotta get on the stairwell. No. Is it that way? Here's the California side, the beautiful Lake Tahoe. And there is the Nevada side, the brown desert. Catwalks reminds me of Ale. This is kind of fun though. It's like catwalks, but we're moving. We're heading towards Stagecoach Lodge via the Nevada Trail. This one. Yep.
We have our new jackets on because we got way too hot, Mom.
Yes, we do.
And we put sunscreen on because it is warm and super sunny. Where's the sun? So
Beautiful weather.
Beautiful, and it's super clear too. So it's a perfect day for skiing.
California. Yeah, okay. Yep. Go ahead. Ah, beautiful. But now where do we go? Where are we going next, Becca?
Well, we're gonna go to Ridge Run and go all the way down to the skyline. So partway down, actually.
The little snowboarders are like the most adorable. They are so cute and they're good.
And Ridge Run is known for being the most scenic view, or scenic run, right?
Of Lake Tahoe.
Of Lake Tahoe. On the California side.
Wow. Those views are amazing. Gotta take a few pictures? I'm okay.
Okay, we are doing Ridge Run right now and it's gorgeous.
His mom.
Highly recommend the California side because the views are like, you can't beat them.
It's warm. I hope I don't catch any powder edge. Ah, beautiful. Sorry. Beautiful. I'll get your pole. You're welcome. I had to help that lady get her pole. Did you see that?
What?
Did you see that? I had to help someone get their pole.
Oh no.
She fell.
Okay, so that was from the top of the Sky Express down to the bottom of the Sky Express through Ridge Run.
And then through Ridge Bowl? Or
No, that's black. Alright, we are riding down Gun Barrel. This is one of two ways to get down this side of the mountain. You can either ride down this or go on the Round-A-Bout Run, which is not my favorite. It's like a catwalk, so you have to really work to get through it.
You're never going to be able to eat all that.
We are currently in California and we crossed this road and we are going to be in Nevada at some casinos. Mama. Nice and cozy for the three of us. Okay, so we have a gondola view. All right, we have a closet. Here's the kitchenette. So microwave, toaster, dishwasher and fridge and freezer. And then the bathroom right here. So it's spacious enough. Okay, here's a better look at our view. You can see the gondola, downtown Heavenly Village, and then the really busy Tahoe Boulevard. Okay, from the top it said this was a blue, and it's obviously not a blue. Mom is currently trapped. Just walk then, Mom. Just walk. There, just walk then. And there's more moguls underneath us, so I don't know why this was a blue, but look at the view. Okay, here's the quote-unquote blue run we tried to go down.
It has boulders and moguls. And it was so icy.
But we made it.
And everyone on this chairlift was looking at us sitting on the side of the mountain. Oh wow. No, it's powdery.
Views are like there's nothing like this anywhere. Like even Salt Lake City when you ski, like I mean there's not views of the lake. Is it on? Okay. Here we go. Look at the beautiful views. Ready? So pretty. But I need to watch. I can't look around at the scenery. It's kind of narrow. Now we're doing Round-A-Bout. This is where those snowboarders said they got stuck.
Yeah.
They thought it was better for skiers. Why isn't this recommended for beginners? Now we're picking up speed. Now we're picking up some speed. Huh? No, that's all right. Oh, that's pretty. Pretty. Beautiful views. It's 47 degrees right now up here. Crazy. This is a really long run, but that's what makes it fun. Wow. I know.
Are you tired at all?
I'm not tired. My legs are a little sore. We can take a break. Just admire the views.